Hey Christina, I thought you did a really great job on your presentation. I think everything looked really cohesive, and I really loved how you highlighted the connection between the pathways with different colors, and so that made it a little bit easier to see. I know that in the short time it was really hard to elaborate on all the details and all of the specific intermediates in each pathway, and I thought you did a really good job of kind of giving us an overview of that. And then kind of honing in on ATP production and that type of thing. One thing I did want to just go into a little detail about was how we can use the synthesis of amino acids to help fuel and provide intermediates for our ATP production through the Krebs cycle. And so specifically we can use carbon dioxide to form amino acids. So I thought it was really interesting how in the formation we can form alanine and then we can form pyruvate from alanine, but it actually requires input of alpha ketoglutarate, or sorry, it puts out alpha ketoglutarate, but then the transition of aspartate to oxaloacetate requires alpha ketoglutarate, and then you can make alpha ketoglutarate from glutamate with the addition of NAD+. And so I thought that was a really good example of how our body makes things to be able to make other things, and how it's all connected, and it all requires a lot of the same intermediates. So I thought that was really a good example of how our bodies are really efficient, and our bodies really utilize intermediates to the fullest extent. But other than that, I thought you did a really great job on your presentation, and I thought you explained everything really well and in a good general sense.